All right, welcome to this question, number 4. Let's talk about this. You may have seen a little practice one on this at some point. They're telling us here the figure to the left appeared on an SAT exam. Lines EB and FD are parallel. Okay, so these two are parallel lines. All right, find the measure of each of the following angles. Angle ADC. All right, so ADC is this one here. So that'd be this one. All right, and then it says angle DAC. So DAC would be this one. And then angle DCA. And DCA would be this one. Okay, so there are 3 angles. Now you'll notice those are 3 angles in the triangle, aren't they? So you should be seeing a couple of things here. You have to see this as a triangle, but also AC is a transversal between the parallel lines, and AD is also a transversal between the parallel lines. So we're going to use this to our advantage to figure that out. So this is a figure within a figure. We see this as, we have to be really flexible in our thinking and see this as a triangle and also 2 different transversals. And depending on what information we need, we're going to switch back and forth between those 2 views of it. So angle ADC here, that's this one here. Here we're going to forget about the green line. We're going to forget about AC and just see this right here, this transversal. We have to notice that they gave us some information. This is 60 degrees, and so we know this one's 60 degrees because this is an alternate interior angle. Remember, alternate, they're on opposite sides of the transversal, and we are looking at this as a transversal right now. And they are interior, so they're inside the parallel lines, within the parallel lines, so they're equal. So angle ADC is 60 degrees. Now they want angle DAC up here. Now there's several ways you can figure this out. I think the easiest way is to go to C first, figure out angle DCA. And how you can do that is they've told you that this angle here, FCA, is 104 degrees. Now we have to be able to see that this is a linear pair with this angle that we're trying to find in question part C, DCA, and therefore they have to be supplementary because they are a linear pair. They share one side and their other sides are opposite rays of each other. So 180 minus 104, you know, is 76 degrees. All right, so now I know that that one's 76 degrees. Well, now there's nothing to stop me from getting angle DAC as the 3rd angle of a triangle. And so 76 plus 60, 136. 180 minus 136, 44 degrees. So as you can see, we have found the 3 angles that they asked us to find. And we did it by this one we saw as an alternate interior angle. We used that as a transversal. This one we saw as a linear pair here. So then for the 3rd one that we tried to find, this angle DAC, we saw it as the 3rd angle of a triangle in which we knew 2 of the angles. So that is how you can get that information. The key is, as so many things in this course, is you have to see in these complex figures, you have to see things as more than one thing. You can't just say this is a triangle and that's it. You have to see, hey, this is a transversal, this is a transversal. We're going to use that to our advantage. All right? That should do it for you. We'll see you on the next one.